The family of Bunny Wailer have come together to ask fans to participate from a distance for the Icon's Nine Night. In an informal Nine Night Tanayayad message, manager Maxine Stowe asked for prayers for Bunny Wailer's peaceful ascension. The message asked for fans to light a white candle of their choosing and to pray for Jabi as he traverses the higher ascension into the unknown world. Speaking on behalf of the family, Maxine says he is now in conscious form and radiating a peaceful light from the denseness of human form. So with this transformation, we're assisting in his travel with our own light and prayers. Sources close to the family told E-Prime that the family had an emergency meeting last week where it was determined that the reggae icon Bunny Wailer deserved to be laid to rest in peace, and as such, it was agreed to put all differences aside to not overshadow and honor together the legacy of a man that contributed to the great nation. Bunny Wailer's Nine Night will be celebrated this Thursday, and persons can upload pictures and videos of their lit candles and share with the family via Instagram. Bunny Wailer died on March 2. He was the last surviving member of the original Wailers. That included Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. Now, Papa Michigan is on a high as his song Jamaica Dance was chosen by the Gifford Elementary School in Wisconsin, USA as part of a creative process project for over 200 students in grades 3 to 5. Take a look. The students were tasked with understanding why the video was created and why Papa Michigan made the creative choices he did. Papa Michigan says he feels like the real winner of the festival song competition and shared with E-Prime this exclusive message to the school.
Choreography was done by all of these dancers. They're all dance teachers. The song is saying to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. So we just work out that, and guess what? All ages can do it. To all the children at Gifford School in Racine, Wisconsin, grade 3 to grade 5, the emotion behind this video was fun, 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 just like you kids. A lot of fun.
The teacher who wrote to Papa Michigan shared with him that his Jamaica dance song was exactly what they needed, adding, "You made my students happy." To the left in the festival. Culture export. Nice. I'm Deidran reporting for E-Prime.